Welcome to Highbiz News, and this is Amalu Katragadda. Board exams not to be conducted till February 2021. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ruled out conducting board examinations for classes 10 and 12 till February next year in view of the COVID-19 situation. Usually, the practical exams are conducted in January and theory exams begin every year in February and conclude in March. The minister said a decision about when the exams will be conducted will be taken later after assessment of the situation and consultation with stakeholders. With no clarity on the board exam dates yet, several schools have already conducted pre-board exams online to keep the students prepared. The Central Board of Secondary Education had earlier this month announced that board exams in 2021 will be conducted in written mode and not online. Schools across the country were closed in March to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. They were partially reopened in some states from October 15th. However, a few states have decided to keep them closed in view of a spike in the number of infections. The board exams had to be postponed midway in March. They were later cancelled and the results announced on the basis of an alternative assessment scheme. The Education Minister had a live interaction with students on December 10th and answered questions about various concerns regarding the conduct of upcoming board exams. The Ministry of Education had also announced that JEE mains for admission to engineering colleges will be held 4 times a year starting 2021 to offer flexibility to students and a chance to improve their scores. The first edition of the Joint Entrance Examination mains will be held from February 23rd to 26th, followed by rounds in March, April and May. Thanks for watching Highbiz News.